Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look at the euro currency. So finally, as we said, maybe thanks to Fedmin's report publication, we will see some activity on the market. Indeed, that has happened. Actually, minutes, if you take a look briefly on the statements there, you will see that actually they are not as rosy as many investors were expected to. As a lot of members have expressed the concern about interest rates. Some of them even were speaking about possible rate increase. So in general, overall sentiment of the members of the committee not as dovish as it was presented by the Jerome Powell in the statement. That's the major conclusion that we could make, and you can see the impact of this on the euro currency, actually on other assets as well. So for us, this is not really bad. It's just because we said, well, our major pattern that we intend to watch for stands with this hand shoulders. It even doesn't matter whether this pattern will fail or start working anyway. This will be a good trading setup. For the failure, we will trade down, taking out of these lows. If it will start working nice, we will just trying to ride on it with this ABCD to the upside, to the 110 area. And simple logic. Currently, our task here is to trying to catch the correct point for entry. So according to this shoulder, it should be somewhere around 107.30, maybe slightly higher, 107.50. This is an area where that might be interesting for taking the position. But based on the patterns and extensions that we have on intraday charts, they are too small and nothing points on particular this level. So we just need to be very careful and watching what's going on here, trying to not miss the opportunity for taking the position. So on the full time frame chart, you could see that downside action is started. We have few levels, so it seems that the 107.40 it will be 50%, which corresponds perfectly to the lows of the left arm. In between we have confluence 107.80 and major 618 level 107.13. So as usual, that will be interesting point to watch for. Besides, you can see that this particular level splits the trading ranges. So if a market is here as some natural support resistance line, you could see support, downside breakout resistance, breakout support, and so on. So from that standpoint, 107, let's call it as an average 107.40. It's the area of our particular interest. Now, if we take a look what's going on the hourly chart, here I do not see something really interesting. We have the XOP, but it mostly agrees with the conference support. Theoretically, it is possible to consider scalp long position because this will be really strong support area. And even some chances exist that market could start up reduction not from this level but from this one. This always exists some uncertainty when you have strong support area and relatively strong up reduction. It's always risks exist that market could not reach the harmonic level. How to deal with this situation? Well, there are a few options exist. So a most simple way is just taking position in parts. So if you're sure that you would like to buy, market drops to the 107.85, buy some part. Market is going lower to the 107.40, take the major part here. That lets you to participate, whatever scenario will be. Alternatively is for more experienced traders. So you could just drop, if market will drop here, you decrease your time frame to the 5-minute chart and see what's going on. If you have here a clear bullish reversal pattern, trying to take it with the position, it lets you to place very tight stop because pattern will be on the 5-minute chart and give you the pullback based on this pattern. Move stops to the break even and see what will happen next. If no major reversal has happened, market keep going lower. After some time, just repeat the same stuff around this level, major level. That's in towards the situation that you can consider. Final points that you could, final option that exists, you do nothing. You just wait when the market hits some level, you do not know what it will be. 618, 50%, 1618. When it hits it, you just wait for a pullback, starting upward direction, and then try and take position on some retracement. That's the third option that exists here. Third option has one advantage, that if no starting of the right arm happens, market just is dropping lower, erasing or everything, you just do not have the entry point and you do not enter. So these few options that you could follow, but currently I think that we still keep watching and see what will happen, because everything goes really nice with this potential pattern. If it will be not even perfect from the harmonic point of view, but in general, overall shape right now is recognizable. So we see it. Besides, recall what we said about this euro currency, what we talk about the dollar index and the grabber on the weekly chart. Now with this upper direction that we see, in general, it stands within the grabber as performance. We do not know what will happen next. Maybe grabber will be erased, at least if the hand shoulder starts working. It seems that it should be erased. But for now, this action agrees with this performance. On euro currency, another thing that we could keep an eye on, so this is futures, so the euro currency, see what will happen by the end of the day. So since we are watching for a bottom, but if shoulder will be small or retracement will be small, market will form grabber by today's session, closing above the MACD predictor. That also might be used. You could treat it as a separate setup for trading, but it also might be used for position taking, because you will have directional pattern confirmed, suggesting taking out with the stop. So why we should not consider it? So that's in towards what we have currently on euro currency. So let's keep watching.